Let's start by creating a new playlist. Click on Create New Playlist. You can now name your playlist, something descriptive that helps you easily identify its purpose. Set the playlist to Android mode. This setting ensures compatibility with Android-based screens. Click Add New Item. The content adding window will appear, allowing you to start adding various types of content to your playlist. MAWi Link supports a variety of file types for your playlists, including videos, images, PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, and URLs. To add content, simply drag and drop the file you want to include or select the URL tab. You can upload multiple files at once or combine different types of content to create a dynamic and engaging playlist experience. Once your content is added, you can organize it by dragging and dropping files into the desired order. You can also set durations for each piece of content, ensuring your playlist flows smoothly. To apply the same timing to all items, click on the timer icon and then click on the Save button. Once your playlist is ready, click the Finish button to complete it. Next, it's time to assign the playlist to your screens. Select the screens where you want to display the playlist, then drag and drop the playlist onto the screen and click Play. Your content will now play on the selected screens in the order you've arranged.